I successfully complete my MBBS, I'll pursue either cardiac or neuro studies.
I aspire to become an IITian with the field of computer science to work for major software-based companies.
I see myself working in a big company because I always am higher than everything else. I want to be something big in my life.
If life permits or whatever, I would like to pursue trying for IAS.
I want to do a master's degree in biomedical engineering.
I would like to do corporate reporting, for magazines like Forbes or something like that.
HR is a person which connects the company as a whole. So if I will be that, I'll be very helpful and very creative for the company and its benefits.
And I've always wanted to become a lawyer.
Recruiting, the interaction between between the manager and the employee, and the thing that I saw first was the salary only.
My favorite pop star, Selena Gomez.
Roger Federer.
I'm thinking.
If I get any chance to meet Neeta Ambani, I will surely meet her.
Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, then Larry Page, who was the former CEO of Google.
Meet Enid Blyton because she made my childhood so special.
Hillary Clinton. I forgot about her.
Major software-based companies like Google.
All the top companies like Google.
Google.
I think Azim Premji. I am very much influenced towards Wipro.
I'm very much inspired by Raghuram Rajan. So maybe I'll become an economist or something, financial analyst maybe, and serve my country in that way.
Actually, one of them would be Michelle Obama because she's been making brilliant speeches.
Android.
I don't like Apple.
I prefer iOS.
When you say I have an iPhone, the sense of prestige that the feeling of prestige that you get.
Obviously iOS.
Okay, this is cliche, but Narendra Modi has just shot up. From a chaiwala, it's, with all due respect, it is just amazing.
Smriti Irani. She was one of the very few female cabinet members on the Modi government.
Shashi Tharoor would be one of my favorite politicians.
No, absolutely not.
I am a Democrat at heart.
I think if Donald Trump gets elected as the President of the United States, he's going to divide the country completely. Okay, there'll be so much hatred, and I personally, this is my personal opinion, I don't like that man.
He has so much of negative energy inside.
The way he speaks, I think, can make any person mad.